Welcome. Today we are here to discuss education, parents, and the current topic, that is lockdown. So education, that is, what are the current methods used by most schools for teaching online, what problems the parents face, and what can be a possible solution during the lockdown and also after it. So let's see the current methods. So what's happening is most schools are using WhatsApp to stay in touch with the parents and share the study material. All of them are using an online teaching platform, but then they have to send links every day to the parents and then they have to go and find them. Then they are taking quizzes using Google Forms. So it's good for a one-time solution maybe. And they're making videos and sharing the YouTube links every day. So we'll just see some pros and cons. So pros for WhatsApp. But obvious, it's very easy and it's convenient and almost everyone uses it. But now the cons. Cons is like when all the parents, all teachers are in a single WhatsApp group and they are sharing all the subject material at the same time. Now, if a parent wants to see something that was taught in the last week or before that, it's very hard for them to find it. Then there's security because your number is shared with almost everyone in the group. Then it's difficult to find messages. Now, if you want to find or pinpoint any particular message that may be even 2 or 3 days old, it's very hard. You have to go and search for it. And there's a very good chance that you might miss it, and due to which the children might miss the study material. Now, pros of Google Form. So Google Forms pros are it's very easy to fill up and everyone has a Gmail account. Now, if you want to take a quiz once, it seems like a better solution now. But as teachers are taking quizzes for every chapter, so if throughout the semester a parent wants to go and see from the very first quiz to the very last, like what was the progress of the student, a parent or a teacher, it's very hard because the reports are there for a single quiz. It's not in an organized form. So you cannot see the previous quiz reports and it's not organized, and it's very hard to track the progress of the students, that how much they have progressed during the entire semester. So what happens due to all of it is that parents face a lot of problems as there are so many multiple platforms and they have to juggle between WhatsApp. They have to every day find the link for YouTubes and their online classes. Then due to which the miss out on a lot of study material and the students have no clue. They are not able to follow with the teaching. Then parents are not able to keep tab. There's constant stress environment. There's a lack of proper records on either sides, the teacher side as well as the student side. Then students are not independent enough to attend on their own because they have so many multiple platforms, they don't know which one to go to. Then everything in the end, what does happen that everything in the end leads to one thing that's common is frustration. A high amount of frustration between parents, a high amount of frustration between children. So today we are here to provide you your solution. So we at Prisms, we have everything in a single app. And it's much more time efficient. It saves a lot of your time. It saves you from having a lot of stress and going and finding all the links. So I'll just give you a small brief on what we actually have. So we have every school, all our schools, we have given them their own app. Every child has their own login. So they have everything, like I said, in a single app. They have a timetable, which every day they'll be able to see which class they have, and they can simply click on join class and it will redirect them to whichever platform the school has chosen, may that be Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, any other platform it is, and they'll be able to attend it. Now what happens is this is very organized. So every day the children know which classes they have, so they can sit on their own. Then once they click on join class, they directly are redirected to that particular app, so they don't have to find the apps. Also, it gives them a little bit sense of school because there's a schedule for it. Now we have organized courses. So we have a system called as a learning management system or a LMS system, wherein teachers can create different courses for their subjects, and whatever will happen throughout the year for that one particular subject will be there under that particular course. So if a parent wants to refer back to an old lesson, or if they were not able to catch up with the online class, they can simply watch the recorded videos over there, and they can take quizzes, assignments, and they can keep tab of all the quizzes and results and assignment results from the very beginning. So we have lessons in our learning management system where teachers can put their YouTube links directly in the lessons tab, so that the children don't have to find the links and they can simply view it, and then if they have uploaded any study material, they can follow up on the study material easily as well. We also have quizzes wherein the children will be able to give a quiz very easily, and they'll get an instant result. They'll be able to see how many were correct, were wrong. So in that way, and this result will stay with them, so that in case if they want to refer back to any previous quiz results, they can do that. We also have an assignment wherein teachers can upload worksheets, they can upload question papers, and the students can solve that and upload it back to the teacher. For example, this particular child has, and then the teacher can give marks for it and give remarks for it. So basically it's one organized system where everything is there in one app, and it also gives them a sense of that the school is ongoing, because they are constantly in touch with one another, and there are proper reports on both sides, on teacher sides as well as the student side. So I hope we were able to give you a solution, and thank you. Be home, be safe.